Hi, everybody. Sure hope you had a great Tuesday as we head through the rest of our evening. Yeah, we've had a couple of spotty showers and a couple of rumbles of thunder, and that's been about the extent of it. A lot of us just didn't quite get much in the form of rain, and that's really going to be the story as we head into the rest of our evening hours. Now, again, the heat's with us and the humidity's with us. So we're talking about heat index values as we get into the 6 o'clock hour, right around 101, 99 by 8, and it's going to feel more like 91 degrees by 10 o'clock. So not much relief from the heat so far, but things are about to change. Why? Tropical depression Beryl, as it continues to move its way into the upper Midwest, weakening as it does so, brought us the wind around East Tennessee throughout the day today, and then will bring us the wind again tomorrow. The greatest risk for severe weather associated with it, and we've even had a couple of tornado warnings over into parts of Kentucky earlier today as well, but the bullseye is going to be across parts of Kentucky as well. And that's due to the center circulation of that low-pressure system, which way ahead of the cold front brings us increasing chances for a couple of spotty showers. And that's pretty much all we've saw throughout much of the day today. As we head into the day tomorrow, cold front's going to be swinging its way on through. While we may see a couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms, it just doesn't look like we're going to see much. Back behind it, though, we will see some slightly drier air set up shop, and yes, some slightly cooler temperatures. So again, from now through tomorrow night, pretty lackluster in the rainfall department. It's going to be warm. It's going to be muggy tomorrow, but we'll stay basically rain-free all the way through the weekend and really into next week. Again, the Climate Prediction Center, the National Weather Service, all saying that, listen, the drought is going to continue to worsen around the area because we just don't have a whole lot of moisture to work with. So we've had that wind field throughout the day today. As we get into our Wednesday, still a little bit on the breezy and gusty side, nothing to write home about, but the center of circulation of the Beryl continues to work its way on out, at which point we'll see those winds shift to the northwest back behind the frontal boundary, and that's what's going to dry the air out. So temperatures will actually cool off a little bit as well. So Wednesday, Thursday will be pretty seasonable, and then well above average temperatures expected into the weekend and maybe even the next week as well. So we'll keep you posted on that. With your high temperatures again as we get into our Wednesday, because the air starts to dry out just a bit, we're going to get rid of those heat index values all into our Wednesday and Thursday time frame. But Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, here comes more heat with a little bit higher dew points. That's going to lead to those heat index values pushing close to 100 once again. So make sure you stay on top of the latest weather forecasts each and every day. You can do so easily by downloading the East Tennessee Weather app. It's 100% free. Listen, just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. A great interactive radar when we need it. Of course, haven't needed it very often. And access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee. Speaking of the drought and the worsening of the drought, as we look ahead from the Weather Prediction Center over the next 3, 5, and yes, 7 days, you can see kind of a bullseye of emptiness right across the East Tennessee Valley, and that's due to the fact that we're just not looking at a whole lot of rain. So again, the drought looks like it's going to continue to worsen across parts of the southeastern U.S. Just couldn't quite muster out a lot of rainfall associated with Beryl, but it's not over yet. We'll see what happens for the rest of the day tomorrow. But again, I think just kind of breezy on into our Wednesday under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. All right, next weather update's coming up tonight at 9 o'clock before we head off to bed. Have a great evening.